Select the subject. Go to Adjustment layer and select Gradient Fill. Select the text layer and type letter K. Convert to Smart Object and set the picture. Create clipping mask. Create duplicate layer. Now, release clipping mask. Hold the Control button and click on letter K layer. Now add layer mask. Select Brush tool and follow the step. Change the color of letter K. Go to Blending option and follow the setting. Follow the setting. For more letter portrait tutorials, please watch complete playlist. For more Photoshop, Illustrator, and AI tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.